right, so as you heard, ever since I got the tires changed out at Lamborghini of Las Vegas and they messed with the center caps, I've had this clicking noise coming from the front passenger wheel. So I actually had pulled the cap off and tried to reseat it, and noticed that one, the spring was like super loose and just kind of rattling, and two, the little clip that lines up, you know, because these logos are supposed to line up with the valve stem. Well, first of all, it was upside down, so I think that had something to do with it. And anyway, I looked online and I was having a difficult time finding the center caps in titanium. Yeah, kind of a special order, but luckily I found somebody online that had a set. And the funny thing is yeah, when these come in as accessory originale, yeah, everybody thought, like, what did I buy? Like a Lamborghini wall clock or some custom like plate or plaque or something. They just thought there was like a logo installed. But check out this packaging. I mean, it's like it's a watch or something. So anyway, yeah, we're gonna get this swapped out. Actually, I already did swap it out. This is what the new ones look like, and man, those are beautiful. And then you can see in the back how the spring is, and then this is that little center clip, so the spring's got to be even, and this clip is supposed to go down towards the valve stem as indicated here. Yeah, that's not what they did when they changed out my tires. So this is the old one, and the spring, like I said, is like it was super loose, and this got damaged too because this thing was like upside down. So anyway, yeah, just check that out though. No wonder they cost like 500 bucks a set. Well, Lamborghini tax, right? Anyway, see you on the next one.